Still Finn, Matt here. And I'm with Stiff Chin, and we're in the middle of nowhere right now. We don't even know where we're at. We honestly just found a spot off the side of the road, and we just started hiking. We don't know what we're getting ourselves into. We don't know what we're gonna find, and we don't even know if we're gonna make it out of here alive. All right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wing this video. Look where we're at, ready? See? Not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. We're going deep into the woods, and we'll see what the outcome is. Let's go. Ugh, damn branch. Just found a trail.
And a whole bunch of, I don't
After
know
we
what.
just,
Look at it, it's just a big,
after we just cut through a bunch of stuff, man. Oh shit! Woo! I hear water.
I hear water coming from the right, coming from down the path.
Somewhere over there. Whoa! Woo! Almost ate it. Ah, yeah. Yeah. All right, can we make it to there now? Ah, dude, I'm so close. I'm not going across that. There's a bridge right there, man. Dude, we're down there trying to cross across the creek. Then we walk like a quarter mile, and then there's a bridge. How's it going?
All right.
Beautiful horse.
Thank you. I'm gonna walk.
Oh yeah, getting a workout. Yeah, I guess the bridge is down. Oh yeah. You know what this is? This is snorkeling territory.
Yes, it is. Look at it. That's deep.
I can't even see the bottom right here.
Oh, we're snorkeling in here. We're gonna come back. We're diving in.
Look, you see how it drops off right there?
Oh, deep.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be nice.
4 feet about right.
And then
there,
there's a
and
shelf
over
right
here,
there.
it's probably even deeper. It looks deep right here too. Looks like there's a giant concrete block though, right here.
Yep.
That fell from the bridge.
We gotta keep this spot in mind. This is bigger than 6 feet. Let's see how deep it is. Ah, hit bottom.
It's about 3.5 feet, 4 feet.
3.5, 4 feet. Oh man, I can already imagine if this was filled with water, you could hit this as a water slide.
This looks like some kind of channel for water.
Lots of thorns. Ow. This is a cool spot, man. Everything's all mossed out.
Yes, it's been here for quite some time.
Over 100 years.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I thought that was a bullet for a second, like a big bullet, and here it's a knife. Well, What is that? What kind of symbol is that, man? It's kind of beat up though. Look at it, it won't even open. Wow, that's really cool. Dude, that's nuts, man. That's a cool find right there. What's with the knives, man? I found one in the abandoned cave. I found one metal detecting. I found one wood scavenging. This is cool. I'm keeping this. I found this knife right there. Yeah, I couldn't, like, that's nuts. I don't know how old it is. It doesn't look like it was laying long because it isn't like, well, like worn out. It was like a recent drop or something. Maybe it washed in from the creek or something. I don't know. Here. I'll get it. I'll get it. What is that? Yo, leave a comment. Oh, curious, man. Yeah. Look how old this vacuum cleaner is, man. Wow. That's crazy, yo. All right, yo, look what we found. We found a bent tree. And actually, Stiff Chin just actually looked up what a bent tree actually means if you find this out in the woods.
Well, I looked it up to read it to you. I had read this a long time ago, and I've been looking for one of these in the woods, and I just like, whoa, a bent tree. Listen to this. Mysterious bent trees are actually Native American trail markers. The practice of bending trees to use as trail markers is by no means confined to Colorado. In fact, all across the country, you can find bent trees that were used by Native American tribes to serve as permanent trail markers.
That is crazy, dude. There you go, man. There's an artifact. Nobody knew that. Nobody knew that till Stiff Chin came along. That's nuts, man. So anytime you see a tree like that, think of some Native American Indian that helped carve your trail.
It could be a natural phenomenon that caused this, but realistically, when you see these, this is...
It's probably... Dude, look at this thing.
Probably a sapling when they did it, and they grew like that.
That's crazy, man.
I mean, look how tall it is now.
It is, dude. That's really tall.
It's actually really old. So yeah, it could have totally been one of those saplings they bent.
That's so cool, man.
Some Indian bent that.
Okay, so this is why we hike so much and wood scavenge. You know why? Because one, we get to explore. Two, we also get to find stuff and find new spots to go snorkeling, scuba diving, and all that good stuff. Look at this spot.
We found about 5 spots today, and this one's probably the most scenic.
Yeah, right? Like there's a
beautiful
cliff, some water that's probably like waist deep, maybe halfway up to my like stomach area, you know, like 3-4 feet.
Perfect snorkeling.
But
hike.
you know, when you go out and hike and you search the spots first, and then you start seeing where you can go that you were never able to go before.
Yeah, you got to remember the season for snorkeling.
Oh my
God! You can't see through the woods.
I can't wait. Oh, that's true too. Yeah, that's right.
See this stuff.
Everything's overgrown too, man. So that's why we do it in the winter. Like, look how dull everything is.
Yeah, just because it's off season doesn't mean we get to take off.
But then now, since we know how to get here, we got this nice trail that leads up from the other trail and falls down, and now we can just check out this spot. So this is why we actually wood scavenge too. We investigate other spots, and this spot is looking, oh, dude, with spring hit already, man. Let's go, dude. I'm tired of this cold weather, man. I'm trying to breathe air underwater, yo.
My whole scuba setup's just standing on a mannequin.
Oh, damn, got me in my eye. All right, so we made our way back to the truck. We successfully didn't die, and we found one badass find. Look at that, man. I don't know how old this is, but it's definitely worn out. Maybe somebody just got tired of it and threw it away or something. Look at that thing, man.
Kid, probably.
Yeah, right? That's nuts, man. I wouldn't shave with that, man. That's one dull ass blade. But that's pretty cool. That's the only find we really got. Other than that, we found a lot of other spots we can like snorkel when the summertime hits and all that. that pretty much concludes it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please click like if you liked the video. Leave a comment if you want to talk to me. Please subscribe and click the bell. My name is Stillfin, all caps, one word, and thank you for watching.